In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the online shopping experience on both global JD.com and passport.jd.com seamlessly. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a regular user looking for a refresher, this guide will help you make the most out of your online shopping experience. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to jd.com. This website serves as your starting point for discovering a wide range of products from electronics to daily necessities. It's user-friendly and packed with features to make your shopping efficient and enjoyable. Upon arriving at the home page, you'll notice that there are various categories and promotions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options as they will help you navigate seamlessly throughout your shopping journey. Next, let's talk about accessing your shopping cart. Locate and click on the cart icon typically found in the upper right corner of the page. This will direct you to the cart section where you can review items you've added for purchase. At this stage, ensuring you've selected the correct quantities and varieties of your desired products is always a good idea. You may also see additional recommended items based on your cart's contents. This intelligent feature helps you discover new products that may pique your interest. To proceed with the checkout, you must be signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, don't worry. You can effortlessly sign in or create a new account by clicking the login or sign up option. Clicking this will redirect you to passport.jd.com. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your password secure and private is crucial, so take care when entering your information. Should you need to create a membership, the sign-up process is straightforward, requiring basic personal information and a valid email address. Once logged in, you'll find yourself back in the cart, ready to complete your purchase. Carefully review your selected items to ensure everything is accurate, including sizes, colors, or other variables. This step is vital as it prevents errors and ensures a happy shopping experience. When you're ready to make the purchase, follow the website's prompts to complete your transaction. You will find payment options that cater to a variety of preferences from credit cards to digital wallets. Ultimately, navigating JD.com and passportjd.com is about enhancing your shopping experience through ease and accessibility. Whether purchasing everyday essentials or the latest gadgets, this guide aims to make your online shopping journey more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and may your shopping cart always be filled with everything you're looking for. Happy shopping!